And the rest say, go marry, get marry. Don't be so me and advice like, follow go Imo State that day self. When they won't give us, they say when they go, then send the boy to go print marriage list. The boy come back, say the list was too bulky. They no fit step on. They can't give us marriage list for flash drive. Till now, we never go back. Small boy go want marry on a daughter, on a go write plenty things, 17 tubers of yam for village youth, cutlass for vigilante. Now God they secure person. You can't see tea for village widow. Now make it their husband.
Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
They stress people. See big men now. If I want bid, as I do this show now, finish now, cash out. If I want bid house now, I will buy cement from DGN. Buy interlock from DGN. Buy gate from Simon Global. Celebrity where I go do handrail and tank stand. Eh? And then they build the house. I go lodge for Dibola property first with the girl. They chill. For night, we go the mix. As we enter, I don't go first do the room. I'll first the dream Budweiser. My girl go drink flying fish. When I reach my parents' house, now I find out, say, now carelessness, now make our parents, they no get money. See how this man, they go now. See man like Chico, he sell roof. If you want build house now, you go buy roof from him. You go buy door, original door from Simon Global. You come, DGN go help you build with interlock. Then they mix them. Odibola property go get apartment. Now friends. My papa when they grow up, my papa they repair fridge. In best friend they repair fridge. Now there poison start. And it's a bit repair fridge pass the man. How you want that one? They won't take prosper. For that until the water on the side grow. 33 up on the road, go check. Women they roast bole for the front. I don't know whether they see this one now. I don't want pass my past. I need to go there. So then get now Enugu women, then this 7. The first person go roast on Monday. When he go reach in turn again until next week Monday, I won't take maker. Do something else. Only my mama get sense that time. My mama a tailor. She go to mama, she go rent shop. They do her tailoring business. I can't find out everybody who did that lane self now tailor. So nothing, still work. No still work. Now make a change. I don't feel live that kind of life. As I be comedian now. My best friend, advisor. Oh boy, this you no go. Advisor, me and you no be friend again, I beg. I mean you go be comedian. I'll be a friend to a DJ. Big men now. You don't read their bedtime, they don't go. If nobody say DJ and come from another state now, you won't get patient with me. Ask big men the kind of car they drive. They reply you with all pleasure. Nothing to lose. Ask DJ and say, what kind of car you drive? You hear a Range Rover Sports 2023 model. It's a big boy. See your guy Jeff. What kind of car you drive? I drive a Mercedes Brabbox 2024 model. Big boy. Ask them the mix. Big boys. Ask poor man this same question. The reply, they be like fight. Which poor man I go use now? Ask that cameraman. Papa Emeka, which kind of car they drive? Here complain. My brother, all these flashy cars they see, they know they last. Which one you they drive? They can get excuse. I know say big men, if 3 men won't come this event now, like Oga Jeff now and 2 other guys won't come this event, and I him get car to carry them come. You know that those 2 go first bath by 6, go wait for him parlor. When they follow children and watch cartoon with no plan. And then I go see her begin to ask you rubbish question. Uncle, are you really my daddy's friend? Because you don't know how you take no get money where Papa gets. What's going on? And poverty, you know that poverty go make you lodge for a hotel. You know, agree come out till 12:30. Make your money complete, Baba. You go wake up early morning, eat free breakfast, use their gym, use their Wi-Fi. As you they come out 12:29, you go see thief store wear. Everything about the poor, they pay me. Big men devotion. Then go gather with their family and search all over. Couldn't find nobody. Then they stress God. You don't pass window way poor man and they do devotion. Those that say, they will not live to see me make it in life. Nobody they hold you. Ho, zoo. All people can blame, can blame people for nothing. I know the big men, what you go take no, say, person don't try, man don't big. You know they carry girls for road. If they get one loyal side chick. If you want to go Abuja, in wife they even know him because in wife no fit break up because where the money won't come from. The wife they know the side chick. As him husband they pack back to go Abuja, and the woman they enter kitchen. Hello Stella. My husband is coming to Abuja. You know it's only you I trust with my husband. I beg you, as my husband they call no alarm follow another girl. As we take care of my husband, another person go take care. And all those girls who they follow big men, they never retire. Once the men don't tire for them, they will come turn pimp, come they bring their friends, they collect cuts. You see the Regina Daniel, you see that her husband being spec. That's the God of 11th hour. Do you know that Regina Daniel was in teenage church 1 week? The next week she joined Christian Mothers. Spirit of grace. That her friends now they come greet them after church. You go to tap them for back. How is your mommy? How is your I didn't see her in church. Give them money to go buy ice cream, you know. See now by fine. That fine yellow boy and they see him again. Yes now.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.